Hey everybody, this is Mary and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm doing something a little different. You see me normally cooking various things, canning, but today, guys, I have eggshells. Yeah, I have eggshells. I'm baking eggshells. Doesn't that sound like a tasty dish? This is my leftover eggshells from this morning. And for lunch, I made a chicken salad. Doesn't that look tasty? Okay, I confess what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to bake them. I'm going to run them through my food processor, and I'm going to feed them back to my chickens to help give their eggs some firmness. If they don't have enough calcium, they have soft shells. Even though we give them the oyster shell calcium, several times a week I like to save my eggshells and just bake them and give them back to the chickens. That's what my great-great-grandmother used to do. My mom has told me a story about her old-timey wood stove in the kitchen, and after she would fry eggs or whatnot, she'd just put the eggshells in a pan, put a lid on them, and just let them sit there until they got hard, crunch them up, and give them back to the chickens. Just food for thought. I'm going to put these in the oven on 400 degrees and bake them for 20 minutes. Take them out, put them in the food processor, and I'll be giving them to my chickens for dinner. I'll show you what they look like when they come out of the oven. Okay, our eggshells have been in a 400 degree oven baking for 20 minutes. Turn the oven off and let them cool down. So now I'm going to blend them up. My chickens are going to really enjoy this. I think I can probably fit a few more in there. But guys, this is going to get loud for a minute or two. So just bear with me. I know I could easily keep blending and blend that into just a powder, but I want a little bit of chunk in there. So I'm going to take my eggshells, I'm going to pour them in a jar, and that goes to my chicken coop. So I'm just going to continue on. I mean, what better way to reuse your eggs than to feed them back to your chickens to help their eggs be hard? Because a lot of times whenever you have eggs from various places and the eggs don't have enough calcium, or I should say the chickens don't get enough calcium, they have brittle eggs. And that's just not good. I don't like to crack an egg and have the shell disintegrate in the cup. It's just aggravating to me. So this is one thing to prevent it. And we take it apart again. I don't do this every single day, but I do it on a regular basis, and that was a bigger shell. I usually use my canning funnel, guys, but it's dirty. I've just been canning a lot of stuff today. But anyways, there you go. That is the best way I have found to recycle eggs on my homestead and help my chickens at the same time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.